Why do I stay here? Tell me why I don't leave. Ash in the coffee, breathing what I can't see. Tell me what's wrong with you. I'll trade you peace for peace. Crosses in a rear view, ghosts in a front seat. I give you a kiss, Monday morning rain. Every little drop tastes like your name. It's nothing short of dying. This day makes me insane. Marble Lake, dry high on my tongue. Devil sets his watch on Jesus Christ. I'm young, just enough to burn, not enough to run. Walking through the valley, had you by my side. Knuckles wide around you, thought you'd never slide. Taken by the darkness, from the grip of my hand. Now I'm talking to the filter, like it understands. I give you a kiss, Monday morning rain. Every little drop tastes like your name. It's nothing short of dying. This day makes me insane. Marble Lake, dry high on my tongue. Devil sets his watch on Jesus Christ. I'm young, just enough to burn, not enough to run. If I leave, who am I? If I stay, who are you? Every drag, every prayer tastes the same. Going through, I keep timing my heart to a faith I don't trust. Walking out of that valley, you're turning into dust. I give you a kiss, Monday morning